I'm here in the Welsh countryside. I need some high-speed internet. There's a storm on its way and the weather and the rain is coming in fast. So I'm going to attach a Starlink 3 to this shipping container safe and securely using our new Starlink 3 kit. Let's see how long it takes me. Whoa. So first off, the existing bracket needs to come out. Just give that a pull and a firm tug, and that just clips straight out. Rest assured, with the new click adapter that you're going to be using, it doesn't come out that easily. It needs a specialist tool. Now before we do so, we need to get the cable ready to go through there. That feeds through, first of all, it feeds through our pole, and then through the adapter, and then we can do the adapter up with the hex key provided. Like so. In actual fact, to save feeding this through again, we're going to put the assembly. No, I'm not going to do it that way. Signal cable into the back of the Starlink, like so, and then this can just click into place. In. Oh. There it goes. That's why they call it click. So with all of these grub screws secure, as I say, everything comes as part of the kit. Let's pop that down. Next up, a domino clamp needs to go into one of these top holes here. Let's pop it right here on the front. Into the stadium hole, shield hole rather, so you can see that. Tighten that up with a 10mm hex key. There. Do that nice and tight by hand. That's nice and secure. And then going to get our 48mm vertical tube clamp, also part of the set. Undo these grub screws, and then find our 30mm bolts and washers. They go through the tube clamp. The rain's coming in. And these line up with the M12 threads on the domino clamp. I'm just going to use this ratchet quad spanner. Oops, wrong one. To do that up nice and tight. You also use it adjustable wrench or spanner. And then next thing to do is to take our full assembly here. This is tilted at the optimal 20 degrees, or that Starlink recommend for getting the best reception. We're just going to feed the other end of this cable back through the hole in the bottom of the tube clamp. Pull that all the way through. Drop that in there. We're going to need to use the app to find out which orientation is best, but the great thing about this is that in order to change the orientation, we've got full 360-degree swivel there. Tighten that up with the 8mm hex key. And that's good to go. That's not going anywhere whatsoever, regardless of what kind of weather meets us. I'm not sure how long that took, you'll see it on the screen there, but if you can find a quicker way, I'd like to hear it. Next, all we have to do is send this cable inside to the router, plug it in. We're going to have high-speed internet while we're warm and cozy in there, while it's cold and miserable out here. Tune in for more tips. The Starlink kit is available on our website, and we also have an extra high version. So should there be any trees or obstacles blocking the reception for the Starlink, you can get the Starlink another about 6.4 meters up in the air to get better view of the sky and better reception. Follow us for more tips. Happy clamping. I'm going to get in the dry.